my beautiful people, welcome back to another gorgeous night in the garden. Tonight we're going to be doing something I haven't done in a while that I really love. This is actually one of my favorite pours. This is a double wandering ring pour, and we're going to use a golf ball to go through it. So it's going to be really fun. Let's get started. This is a 15 by 30 inch gallery wrap canvas from Artists Loft. I have taped and pinned the back, and I have painted my sides and the edge so that it doesn't stay transparent, because we want something nice and opaque there. The colors we're using are beautiful, kind of a mishmash of different things. This one is Amsterdam Greenish Blue. Beautiful color. Love this. Very similar to Golden's Turquoise Phthalo. This one is DecoArt Dragon Teal, I'm pretty sure. very pretty color. And then we have another DecoArt one. This one is Amaze-Mint, which is very pretty. Love this. I love that light, soft pistachio green. Very pretty. This one is Liquitex Basics Cadmium Yellow Deep, but I have added quite a bit of our Floetrol Cloud Mix to it in white to soften it a little bit. So it's still a deep yellow, but it's not as bright. It's softened with some white. So that's the Cadmium Yellow Light, or Deep. Then I have our Floetrol Cloud Mix, which is Artists Loft Flow Acrylic in white with some Vallejo Pearl Medium and American Floetrol. And then just for HOA, we have our DecoArt Americana Decor Metallics in 24 karat gold.
Ooh, baby.
And she's just a little pale because I added some Floetrol to it to increase the volume. Okay, so, and then I have this one is some transparent base coat drips and some iridescent blue-green from Pebeo that we're going to use as our background flow extender. So, let's layer the 2 cups first. Okay. Start with a little bit of gold on the bottom of each. We're going to put a little bit of white, some of that Floetrol Cloud Mix. Okay, we'll put a little bit of yellow in there. And I don't want to put the green because I think it's going to be too close. So we're going to put some of that Dragon Teal. And then we're going to do the green, Amaze-Mint, because we want contrast between the colors. We don't want to put 2 very similar colors close to each other, because that minimizes the chances of their showing up. This one is, did I tell you this one? Anthraquinone Blue from Golden. Very pretty. Okay. Now we're going to go white. A little bit of gold. A little bit more white. And some yellow. Dragon Teal. Amaze-Mint. And Anthraquinone Blue. You want to put just a little bit more Dragon Teal on the end. Okay, we're actually going to take a page from my Wanderlust pour, where we pour 2 cups in opposing directions, and then we tilt them out, except instead of doing a wandering straight pour, we're going to be doing a wandering ring pour. So, I'm going to take a little bit of this base coat color, and we're going to put it down like a runway. Let's tilt that out just a little bit. Okay, get that out. Alright, so we're going to pour, oh, you know what? I think I'm going to put a little bit more of the Anthraquinone Blue on top, because that is very similar to the background color. So We want some high contrast there. Okay. Okay. Are you ready, husband of awesomeness?
Yes, my love.
Okay, so we're going to do a wandering ring pour going across the canvas. We're going to stay pretty close to the canvas, and I find that speed is really important in keeping the rings uniform. If you go too slow, they get kind of squiggly. If you keep it nice and fast, then they have this beautiful swoopy look. All right. Here we go. Okay. That's what I wanted. Beautiful. Just gonna turn this around. And we're gonna go this way. Are you ready, husband of awesomeness?
Yes, my love. Semper Paratus.
Here we go. Cool. Yay. All right. Now, I don't think we really need more flow extension. Well, maybe just a smidge on this edge. I don't want to lose that. It's pretty. Okay. Alright. We're going to tilt this out first, and then we're going to play with the golf ball. Okay, let's dance. If it looks like I need more flow extender, I might stop and grab some, which I think I'm going to. Just going to use this. I don't want to lose the pretty edge that's there. Okay. Here we go. Take this down. We'll get back. And we're gonna walk this down this way. We're gonna go back over that part anyway. Back, find the weight of the paint. That's really pretty. Okay. Now HOA is the part you
Wreck it.
I don't know if using the golf ball is wrecking. It's more embellishing it. Because we're not messing up anything except that center section.
Tomato, tomato, love.
You just want to see the golf. We're going to torch this real quick. All right. I think we're going to start over here on this edge. Right over here. Are you ready, husband of awesomeness?
Yes, my love.
Here we go. Nice and easy. It's moving kind of fast. Okay. Do you think it could use a little going through there?
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna put this right back there. I'm gonna go this way. Okay, I like it. Just gonna take it down for a second. Bring it back. That's cool. Very beachy. I really like this gradation that we've gotten. Really, really pretty where the lines are. And the cloud mix is softening everything up and making it really pretty. I love this corner. Cool. Alright. Not exactly what I thought was going to happen, but I still really like this and I think it's very pretty. And I think it's going to dry beautifully. So we will be right back with our dried results. Thank you guys all so much for all your lovely, kind words about our new studio and your well wishes and your support and your love. It means a lot to us and I thank you all from the bottom of my heart. We have been working really hard to get everything getting going and getting set up and getting ready, and we're almost there. So I'm really, really excited about everything. When we are completely set up, I will do a video and walk you guys through and show you everything. And I hope you guys will come and see us. Those of you who are in Los Angeles or close to the marina, please come on down and, email me. And we'll set up a time and we'll meet. It'll be a lot of fun. So thank you again for being here. We'll be right back. Okay, here we are a couple days later with our dried results. This one came out very, very pretty. I really love all of these lines from the Wandering Ring pour. And these colors are just beautiful. And that the Feral Cloud mix kind of softened everything. Gave us this beautiful pearlescent. Really cool. Okay, now don't tell yet. Beautiful lines. Anyway, and then we have where the marble or the golf ball kind of traveled along through there. Really, really pretty stuff. So this one came out very, very cool. Okay, HOA, now could you please tilt it? That iridescent blue-green is that river in the middle. Okay, towards me. Okay. Cool. Very, very pretty. And we have that dragon teal in there. No, it can't. Just face me. It's getting blown out.
I'm trying.
You're very sweet. I appreciate you. We have the dragon teal and the Anthraquinone Blue. And we had that Amaze-Mint, which is working beautifully here in this case. So, and we had that yellow and our Feral Cloud mix. So this one came out really, really cool. Love this little corner on here. This is so pretty. This is adorable. Really cool stuff in here. Awesome. So anyways, thank you guys so much for hanging out with us. HOA and I have been working hard in the new studio and getting everything set up today. We did all the flooring and put plastic down and those jigsaw puzzle foam pieces and So it's getting there, and I'm really, really excited, and I hope you guys will come and see us. Thank you guys so much for being here. I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. We'll see you real soon. Bye-bye. Hello again, my beautiful people. A couple of weeks ago, I told you guys that I had some big surprise announcements to share with you, and we announced the first one was our opening of our By the Sea studio and gallery in Marina del Rey, California. Yes, I know, it's so exciting. And the second big announcement that I am very, very happy to announce is we are pairing with Nate Bright Art and his Art Lab Retreats to have an event here at By the Sea Studios. So our event will be on August 5th, 6th, and 7th, hosted by myself, by Nate Bright Art, and by Janice Pittman of Just Janice on YouTube, which is very, very exciting because they're both amazing people, and I'm so happy and honored to be working with them. We're going to have a 3-day retreat, which is going to be awesome and so much fun. They're both teaching amazing classes that I'm really, really excited to take. And I hope we see you guys there. You can find all the information that you need on the website at www.artlabretreats.com. And I look forward to seeing you guys there.